Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL. Tonight we got Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited here at trading in their shares. Sagicor Group Jamaica advises the JSE, the Jamaica Stock Exchange, and executives sold 10,000 shares. Pretty small trade here, not material or significant, in Sagicor Group Jamaica on September 5th to kick off the first week of September 2022. Now, iCreate Limited stock has been quite the rage, or all the rage on the JSE, coming up with an announcement regarding their rights issue here. Update from the team or the company at iCreate Limited is that they've set the record date for the company's upcoming, hotly anticipated, hot to trot rights issue here. Now, the approved record date for iCreate Limited's rights issue is September 26th, closer to the end of September 2022. Now, PBS, that's Productive Business Solutions, the company has been doing really big things. When they came out here with their offering memorandum or their prospectus, it really spoke about, how they look at themselves in the Caribbean, Jamaica, so forth, emerging markets, comparing themselves to companies like Apple and Google. Big stuff here. Bottom line is, for tonight, PBS Perpetual preference shares setting a big precedent in the market. Successful closure last week, Friday, September 9th, with the advisory here, JMB Securities Limited, as the lead broker for this deal and the listing agent for Perpetual preference shares of Productive Business Solutions. PBS has advised the deal is closed, it's oversubscribed as expected, and the closure, as we mentioned, September 9th at 3:30 p.m. in accordance with the prospectus that was published. Now, Supreme Ventures Limited, gaming and entertainment giant here. Surprise resignation. Resignation of CEO, Supreme Ventures Services Limited, but he has been there for a while. Well-known businessman, director of different companies and so forth. Done a terrific job overall. The board of directors of Supreme Ventures Services Limited, overall, which is a subsidiary of Supreme Ventures Limited, the board of directors overall of SVL advised that Mr. Dennis Chung has resigned effective the end of October 31st of this year. We like to see that. It's not immediate, it's not imminent, but let's say it's going to happen in the future and a bit a ways. It's a good look there. Mr. Chung will remain a director of the board of Supreme Ventures Race Entertainment Limited and Michaela Financial Services Limited. That's a microcredit, microfinance firm, and these companies are both members of the Supreme Ventures Group. Last up, big changes here, but expected in the market. Peloton Interactive Inc. or Incorporated just has not been able to get it right since they were all the rage a couple of years ago. Major executive shakeup here in U.S. markets, overseas markets. Now, in what seemed, as we mentioned, to be inevitable, no, that's where we're at Peloton. The co-founder, John Foley, is resigning as executive chairman, and another co-founder, Chief Legal Officer, we hope we're going to get this right, Hisu Kushi, is stepping down as well. Now, this comes as CEO Barry McCarthy, of course, seeks to reshape the business, whether it's investment bankers, minority shareholders, ordinary shareholders. They want to see the market capitalization of this get going again, and it's been a while, a few years. They've been doing things to increase sales, they've been doing things to cut costs, but the bottom line, it's time for this. We'll see what happens. We see if it works. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a great evening. This is Business Live.